Hi there, I'm Stephanie and I'm a Zenfolio expert. I'm going to show you how to assign a price list to your galleries. There are two ways that you can assign a price list to a gallery, either through the price list itself or through the gallery itself, and I'm going to show you both methods here. If you choose to assign the gallery through the price list itself, you'll want to navigate to the price list. So from your dashboard, just click on the selling icon, click on price lists, and here you'll find the price list that you've already set up. Click edit. And then you'll see this black button assigned to a gallery. Click that. You can choose from here, or you can click here, see all folders and galleries. That's going to load everything. So I'm going to assign it to comics and click save. So now you'll see it's assigned to two different galleries. If you want to assign it through the gallery itself, you'll just want to navigate to the gallery. So click on the galleries icon, pull up the gallery that you choose to assign it to. Here you'll see there's no price list selected. I'm going to click on None. That's going to take me into the Settings tab. Store. You'll want to toggle this on, and that's going to load the drop-down menu where you can assign your price list. This is the only price list I have, so I'm going to assign it there. And you'll see it's connected. And then it's ready to share. That's it. I hope this helps.